Hi, welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
What are we learning about today, Delaney?
Quizzes.
Quizizz. So they added some extra Z's up here
Got a lot of Z's.
to be unique here. This is, if you're thinking about the UDL framework, it's a very engaging piece, very accessible on multiple devices.
Yes.
Everyone can be included, and it is an assessment tool. If you're used to Kahoot, this is a little different, but it's a nice change of pace. But it's that easy as well.
Yep.
If you're used to Kahoot, so it starts you out on a homepage. You do need an account. You can link it to Google. This is the homepage here. It has public quizzes. So you can tell there's a lot about the solar eclipse now. The most played are Disney, Minecraft.
Let's play it.
No.
Okay.
So they're very educational, you can see. But it is easy to create your own as well. So you have a section on My Quizzes, and we can create one as well. So it will ask you, you can upload an image if you want, and we will just do our lions here. You can have lots of language options here. So if you are teaching a foreign language, this is a nice tool as well. Make it public or private. We'll do private so it doesn't end up on that public site.
Share our work with the world?
Not this one.
Okay.
And then it automatically prompts you to add a question that has superscript, subscript, color changes. It does have some formulas in there, so you can actually do some math equations as well. You can add images if you want. So let's ask a question about lions.
What color is a lion?
What color is a lion? That one's tough. So purple.
Orange.
Red. Orange.
Golden. What color would you consider a lion? Yellow.
I'm gonna put something off like blue.
Okay.
So we'll say orange is the correct color, even though that's a little odd, but
not quite.
It'll work.
It's okay.
And then you can just add questions. This is the only question format. You can't go over 4, but you can go under 4 in terms of the options, and then you can finish it. So they do ask you to. Oh, this is a university level question for sure. They ask you to categorize it. We'll do biology. Zoology, good. And you can tag it. I don't necessarily want to tag it.
We're good.
So we're going to finish quiz, and here it is. It wants an image,
memes.
so it has some interesting pieces there. So you can play it live, and it will give you a code for students to enter, or you can assign it as homework.
Don't have to log in. They just have a code.
Correct, which is nice. And you can get the link here. The report is after they've done it. And since this is one question, it's going to be pretty easy here. But that's how you play. We're actually going to go play a solar eclipse one that we made earlier. So I'm going to go into that one and play live. And here are some settings. So unlike Kahoot, students go through this at their own pace. And you can do pacing guides. So you can jumble the questions, jumble answers for the students. You can show answers after they've done, do a review quiz.
Show memes,
which we like, and you can actually upload your own if you want. The timer is on. We'll do a leaderboard and music, which is also entertaining. So all those settings are good. We'll proceed. We'll copy the code here. You got it. And then we have it open in another one.
Whoops.
And this is actually up there. There was a join a game button that you could go to.
I got it. We're good.
So you're going to enter this 6-digit code and proceed. You have students enter their name or a group. You're doing a group name.
Ooh, it chooses an avatar. What is that thing?
That's not a lion.
That is an orange with eyes.
Okay, so now it's asking for the game to be started. So you can put this up on your board. It'll tell you who's in your class on the left here, and start game. And I'll go back to the student view. Then you guess.
Solar eclipse will be on. Oh, it was on Monday, right? Yes. Oh, okay.
That's interesting.
Great. Okay. Here we go. 1-3. 9:50. That's correct.
So again, student paced, and I'll show you what it looks like on the board.
This one.
That is incorrect.
Okay, that's the wrong answer.
You can upload your own memes, just to make that clear.
Yes, you will. I got it right.
All right.
How many questions is this?
It was just 5. So then you can go back to the teacher view, and it will list all of them out, all of your students out, and this kind of shows you that they missed one.
I'm doing.
Yeah, how poorly. Oh, there is another one. Whoops.
Why did you make it wrong?
Oh no. That was the last question. So there we go. So then it'll show you actually at the end a map of who got what right and who got what wrong. And you can tell that those questions were out of order. And there's pieces there. So you can review pretty quickly. You can export the results, play again. Really simple to use. They do have preloaded ones, or you can make your own. So that's Quizizz.
Awesome.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.